outdoor dog salon. You've been such a good boy today. You deserve a little pampering.
Have you seen this animal? He's very dangerous. If you see him, call the zoo immediately.
How may I help you?
We'll take the puppy pamper package, please.
We're very busy. The Westminster Dog Show is tonight. As you can see, every dog who's any dog is here getting ready.
In that case, maybe I should enter my dog.
Well, if you're competing, I can certainly squeeze you in it. Oh my, what is that?
That's my dog.
Sir, I hate to be the bearer of obvious news, but that is not a dog.
What did you just say?
I said that thing is not a dog.
For your information, that is a dog. He may not be the prettiest dog. He may not be the most refined dog. But my dog has something that no other dog in here has. And that is class. And I'll prove it to you. Because my dog's gonna win the Westminster Dog Show. And by the way, your salon is a dump. Come on, Poochie. You want to win a trophy?